Well, I think I know two things right now. One is I have what I think is really good information to share with you, but two, I stand between you and dinner. So I'm going to try to be really quick because I'm sure you're all hungry. As Biftu said, I want to thank you for inviting me here, although she could speak about the work that we do because she works in our office, so she's a wonderful resource, but maybe it's different if you hear it from a different voice, so that's why I guess she invited me to come in. I work in an office here on campus called the Community Service Learning Center. Who's heard of our office? Just a raise of hand. Oh great, okay, a number of you. We're the office on campus that supports students who want to integrate community experiences into their academic work, and so I'm going to just pass out some information. This is a really short little quarter sheet, and he's videotaped. It is something that the student organization values and that maybe a lot of individuals in this group value, and if so, I think our office could be a great resource. There's two things that I want to talk to you about today. One is, for those who does volunteer in the community or has in the past? Okay, a lot of you. So for the few of you that haven't, this might be relevant to you. We offer one-on-one advising for any student on campus who's looking to get connected to the community but maybe doesn't know where to start. So a good example of this is how many of you are pre-med or thinking about going into nursing, healthcare, pharmacy? There's usually a good number of students. Those types of things, a lot of times programs want to know that you've made a contribution or worked in the healthcare field. So for example, we have partnerships with a lot of healthcare organizations where you can go out and volunteer and get that hands-on experience.